Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Play by Sephora unboxing. I was going to show you the other way, but my address is on there. It's not covered. But we're going to do a Play by Sephora unboxing. I haven't even looked inside the box. I don't think I've seen anybody unbox Play by Sephora's on my news feed. I don't think very many people have Play by Sephora boxes. But if you are interested to see what I got in Sephora box, then just continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, Saturdays. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So if you don't know what Play by Sephora is, it is a monthly subscription box. It is $10 a month, and then you get 5 sample size products. And at retail, it usually changes, like you get skincare and also like beauty products as well. So again, we're gonna go ahead and open this box and see what we got this month. Ooh, how cute is this little bag? They usually send like red bags, like the purple is usually red, but this time they sent like a purplish pink one. But so let's go ahead and take a look. What is this theme? It doesn't really have a theme. You always get the 50 extra Beauty Insider points. I don't live close to a Sephora, so I never redeem those. But the first thing I see in here is this Sephora Micellar Triple Action Cleansing Water. I've never tried this brand's micellar water, but I do usually use cleansing waters when I take off my makeup. So this is a good travel size as well to try out. This is a really nice product. Looks like we also got this Verb, looks like shampoo and conditioner. I heard really good things about Verb as well. I don't. Is this like sulfate free? I try to use like sulfates. Yep, no sulfate. Again, my hair is colored, so I can't use shampoos that have sulfate in it. So this doesn't. So this is good for traveling as well. Next up, ooh, nice. I've been wanting to try this product out, and I've been tempted to pick up the full size, but this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, and this is for very dry to dry combination. Ooh, I'm not a dry. I'm usually like normal combo, so hopefully this works out for me. I'm definitely gonna give it a try, but it might not work out for me since I do, again, have normal combo skin. Next up is this Laura Mercier Foundation Primer in Radiance. I actually have tried the regular foundation primer by Laura Mercier, and I really did enjoy it. I thought it was really nice and hydrating. This one's a Radiance primer. I'm not really into like radiant looks, but during the wintertime, a radiant like face is nice. Next up, we have this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. It's a AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. And here's what the packaging looks like. I've only tried a few items from the Pharmacy brand, but yeah, this is a resurfacing night serum. I do need a new serum for nighttime. I like the one that I've been using by Ole Henriksen, but I just feel like I'm running low, so I need to buy a new one. It looks like we're getting a lot of like skincare stuff this month. And then the last thing that's in here is this Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara. I haven't used this mascara in so long, and this is actually a really good mascara. It's supposed to lengthen and volumize your lashes, and again, I do like this mascara a lot, so I'm pretty happy with this product in the bag this month. So overall, I feel like the products are okay. I think 3 out of 6 products I'm looking forward to. The mascara, the micellar cleansing water, and this as well was something that I really wanted to try out, but again, it's for very dry to dry combo, so I don't know how it'll work out for me. Overall, I think this box was okay. It wasn't bad. Last month was a really good box for me since I was traveling, but this month it looks like we got like the shampoo and conditioner, because usually you get like a shampoo and conditioner or a perfume. You don't get both, you get either or. So this month wasn't bad. It was okay. 3 out of 6 products that I'm looking forward to for sure, and then this I'm looking forward to trying, and this will be good. Kind of sucks that we're getting it right now during like the spring summertime, like if I'll probably have better use of this in the winter time. But overall, I think this was a pretty good bag. Let me know down below if you have the Play by Sephora box. What was the products you got? Did you get something different? Because everybody's bags are different. They're not the same. And yeah, if you enjoyed this unboxing, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!